My name is Gundlach, and I am a systems engineer on Rahal Letterman Lanigan Racing's IndyCar team. Systems engineers are responsible for anything electronic on the car, so anything with a wire or button or switch, I need to make sure works and works accurately. There's a lot of different roles you take on in order to get that to work. There are radio communications that you need to look after. There's a telemetry feed, which means that we watch all of the input from all of our sensors live. So I gotta make sure that's up and running constantly. So my background in racing started when I was younger, and both of my parents raced motorcycles, so I grew up at the racetrack, and that's where I felt most at home and loved to be there, loved everything about it, the sights, the smells, and just wanted to continue that. So I got into the University of Pittsburgh to study mechanical engineering and kind of found a team from there. But part of the racing takes so much out of you that you need to have balance in your life, and that's a very important thing to understand. So I've chosen to balance my life with some athletic activities, mostly jiu-jitsu practicing and Muay Thai, kickboxing, which all are integral in mixed martial arts or MMA. So it's all the cage fighting that people see on TV. I like to practice the arts that are involved in that. And that's a good way to let out aggression, to get fit, and to have balance in your life. What kind of sparked my interest in engineering and my decisions I've made so far in my life when I was younger was being at the racetrack and finding something that I loved to do. I had no idea how to do it professionally, but I loved being at the track. I loved being involved with everything that surrounded my parents' racing. So when I was at school, I was a pretty artsy person. Took a lot of art classes, a lot of dance, a lot of singing in choir, and I had no idea how to get into that side of things. And the one thing that kind of sparked my interest was always a love for physics. Was never really good at math, but physics really, got me excited. Knowing how things worked and why things moved and changed was empowering to me, so I really fell in love with that. And from there I learned a lot about vehicle dynamics and other mechanical items that I encounter daily now. So that love for physics and racing kind of sparked my interest in getting into an engineering school. Engineering is mostly male-dominated field, so being a woman in it is different. It takes some adapting. And how you approach that is a strong sense of self, knowing that you've chosen the right field for you and having that confidence to go into it, because you will encounter a lot of things that the guys will tend to treat you either like a little sister, or they'll pick on you, make fun of you. You just have to be strong enough to overcome that, and again, have a strong sense of self and confidence. So some advice if you're looking for a career or looking to get more into the technical side of either engineering or other aspects. Engineers can do 100 million different things. They cover everything from making cars to building, skis and snowboards, to designing zippers. There's so much that goes into engineering. The only advice I can give is to go after something that you love, and to find something that makes you feel like you're at home. No one can force you into one field or another, or even, nowadays society kind of forces people to do what they think they should do, but it's just to have the confidence to think outside the box and what you want to do. If you want to design zippers, if you want to design skis and snowboards, give it a shot. And it's just that first step you gotta take to doing what you feel is right for you.